Dumelang everyone. Hello. Okay, reason why I'm all over the screen is that hopefully I can get to brainwash every single one of you into voting for me. Cause sometimes I get crazy like that. But anyway, this week it's still all about the music here at Gemstone. I want to do a special song by Justin Timberlake since he's from like my time, and everybody says that am I 64 or something because I always do these old songs that people don't know. So hopefully you know this one is Senorita by Justin Timberlake. On that sunny day, didn't know what me. Such a beautiful girl walking down the street, seeing those brown eyes with tears coming down, and she deserves a crown. Where is it now? Mama, listen, senorita, I feel for you. You deal with things that you don't have to. He doesn't love you, I can tell by his charm. He don't love you, baby, but you can feel this real love if you just lay in mine. Driving fast through my mind, girl, don't you slow it down. If we carry on this way, then we might leave the ground. How would you like to fly that summer future? But you still deserve a crown. Where is it now? Mama, listen. Check this part. Gemstone is getting heated up. Come on, vote for me. Gemstone is getting heated up. Come on, vote for me. Thank you.